أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. سبحانك ربنا لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا، وأنت إن شئت تجعل الحزن سهلا بفضلك وكرمك يا أكرم الأكرمين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Good morning, all my dear students from Shah Al-Marifa Secondary Schools. We are going to discuss some lessons. Alaykum as-salam wa rahmah. We are going to discuss this lesson about form, meaning, and function grammar. So take care about it. It's very important. Open your student book, page number 44, and your workbook, page number 26. Complaints. This is our unit title today. The lesson which entitled form, meaning, and function. First, we'll pray Allah. Ya Allah, please repeal this plague as soon as possible. ندعو الله سبحانه وتعالى أن يزيل عنا هذا الوباء عاجلا غير آجل. Okay. This is our lesson today. Have you opened your student book? Complaints, form, meaning, and function. Present perfect tense. What do you know about the present perfect tense? Present perfect simple tense. What do you know about this tense, Shabab? If you know anything, please raise your hand. What does it consist of? What does it consist of? إيش هو تكوين هذا الزمن؟ ما معنى هذا الزمن؟ متى نستخدم هذا الزمن؟ وما هي الكلمات الدالة عليه؟ Present perfect simple tense. The usage of it, use the present perfect to talk about. متى نستخدم هذا الزمن يا شباب؟ We are using this tense to talk about recently, take care, recently completed actions. Okay? We will use it to talk about recently completed actions. Okay? Okay. Can you give me an example? Yeah, I have some examples here in the affirmative and in negative. The first example is, has he taken? Has is a question word. Has taken, present, PP past participle. Okay, present participle or PP past participle. So this form is talking, or this tense present perfect simple, which consists of has or have. We use has in the with the singular subject, like he, has, he. But in the plural, we will use have, they. مع المفرد الفعل المفرد نستخدم has he. مع الفعل الجمع like they, we will use have they. So have they taken? What is followed the subject? ايش اللي جاء وراء الفعل يا شباب؟ PP اللي هو التصريف الثالث. بعد they taken also. So has he taken or have they taken? Right? Okay. Has he taken out the garbage? Have they taken? Okay. Have they taken the car to the garbage? The answer will be yes, he has. In the singular, yes, he has. No, they have. Yes, they have. It is in the affirmative, both of them. In the negative, we will say or answer for the singular answer, no, he hasn't. In the plural, No, they haven't. Right? Okay يا شباب, you got it? طيب, I have a note here. عندي ملاحظة. We have this words pen, gun. Pen and gun. These two words we are using it with the present perfect simple tense. So, when do we use it? Use pen to talk about someone who has gone somewhere and he or she returned back. سافر, ذهب, خرج, and returned back, ورجع مرة أخرى. لم يبقى في ذلك المكان. Right? You got it or not? We are using a pen to talk about someone who has gone somewhere and he or she has returned back. When do we use gone? We are using gone to talk about someone who has left or go somewhere and he or she is still there. So the difference between the first and the second one, the first one with been, he returned back, but with gone, he's still there. Okay? Okay. The present perfect with already, yet, and just. These words are using with this tense. Present perfect, الكلمات الدالة عليها يا شباب هناك كلمات كثيرة ولكن we have 3 words today. Number 1, already. بالفعل. Yet, it comes only at the end of the sentence. فقط في نهاية الجملة. Just. So, already, yet, and just. We can use the present perfect to talk about events that happened before now. الأحداث التي حدثت قبل الآن. In the past, maybe, like what? I will give you an example now. It is possible that the event happened earlier than expected. على عكس المتوقع. For example, have you done the dishes yet? Yes, I have already done them. Yes, I have already done them. I have already. So these words will come after the auxiliary verb, have or has. I have already. I have just. Right? Okay. The third part today we'll talk about the verb plus gerund. What is the gerund يا شباب? What is the gerund? ايش هي معلوماتكم عن الجيرند؟ يعني ايه جيرند؟ Raise your hand please. If you know the answer. اللي يعرف الإجابة يتفضل برفع يده. Raise your hand. ما في إجابات يا شباب؟ The gerund. What is the gerund? The gerund. Use the gerund form. هنستخدم الجيرند which ends in ing. هي الكلمة أو هو الفيرب الذي ينتهي ب ing بصيغة ال ing. فيرب. نعم يا زياد. تفضل يا زياد. Go ahead.
بقول إنه مصدر.
مصدر infinitive. And only infinitive.
ما أدري بس قلت مصدر مع الكلمة.
مصدر.
بس قصدي مع الكلمة.
زي مثلا avoid نعتبر هذا جيران.
فعل.
finish نعتبر هذا جيران. Do you agree or not? Mine, suggest. All these verbs are infinitives. Okay? هي مصدر ولكن we are talking about the gerund which is ends ends in ing. إذا أضفنا ing إلى الفعل like playing صارت gerund. الفيرب play فقط هو verb أو infinitive. إذا أضفنا إليه ing صار أو تحول إلى gerund. Right? Okay, like stop. Stop is infinitive. A verb, but playing is gerund, right? Okay. Use the gerund form which ends in ing after the following verbs. هذه الأفعال جميعها يتبعها gerund. Avoid playing, enjoy swimming, give up smoking, imagine anything, mind, stop, cannot stand, finish, hate, keep, miss, suggest and many verbs. All these verbs followed by جميع هذه الأفعال تتبع ب gerund اللي هو فعل زائد ing. Like or for example, he cannot stand waiting. لا يمكنه أن ينتظر أكثر من ذلك in line في الصف. cannot stand. إيش الكلمة أو الفيرب اللي جاء بعد stand؟ waiting. إيش معنى إيش نوع الفيرب هنا؟ gerund اللي هو فعل زائد ing. Right? Okay. محمد البيشي, you are out and in many times. He cannot stand waiting in line. I don't enjoy sitting. إيش اللي جاء بعد enjoy؟ gerund sitting. They stop playing. Then stop playing. Miss peeing. إذن الفيرب زائد ing بعد هذه الأفعال دائما. Work for a partner. Okay شباب. This is our tense today. Present perfect tense. يستخدم هذا الزمن للتعبير عن حدث in the past and finished before some moments and finished in the past also, but still now. It consists of, or the form of this tense is have or has. Has in the singular or have in the plural. Plus the present or the PP اللي هو ايش past التصريف الثالث. اوكي؟ هذه هي الكلمات التي تأتي معه like since, for, just, never, ever, yet, recently, already, and many words. For example, I have lived in Riyadh for 6 years. I have lived. I have lived. Have plus التصريف الثالث past participle. For, since كلمتين دالتان على زمان المضارع التام. I haven't visited him since 1995. Ahmed, the singular, has. Ahmed has already finished his homework. Has already finished. ونلاحظ هنا أن كلمة already جاءت بين auxiliary verb والتصريف الثالث حق الجملة. She has written 3 letters just now. Again, she has written 3 letters just now. I need 1, 2, 3, 4 students to read these examples, please. 4 طلاب يقرؤون هذه الأربع أمثلة. عمر سعيد number 1.
I have lived in Riyadh for 6 years.
Thank you so much. محمد عتيبي number 2.
I have not visited him since 1995.
ليش صعبت الأمر على نفسك 1959 أو 95 1955 sorry 1995 okay thank you so much excellent يا عتيبي. زياد خالد رجال الله number 3.
Ahmed has already finished his homework.
Thank you. نايل الشريف number 4. Nail, do you hear me, Nail?
Hello.
Number 4.
She has written 3 letters just now.
She has written 3 letters just now. Thank you so much. Thank all my dear students. Now, let's return it back to our student book. Okay. Do you have any comments? أي سؤال أي استفسار يا شباب أي تعليق على ما سبق؟ Do you have any comments؟
إيه أستاذ عندي أستاذ على حقة gun يا أستاذ.
تفضل يا عمر.
إذا بقول إنه مثلا بقول مثلا نايل أو gun to the supermarket.
ما نقول نايل gun. طيب نايل gun وين فين المضارع التام؟ فين البريزنت بيرفكت هنا؟ نايل مفرد ولا جمع يا عمر؟ مفرد ولا جمع؟
نايل has gone.
سنجولار. ايوه رايت. هنستخدم الاكسلري فيرب او الفعل المساعد has. اوكي؟ لو جمع نقول مثلا نايل اند عمر هنقول have gone. ولكن هنا الفاعل مفرد ولذلك نستخدم has. right؟ ايش هو
إيه،
السؤال؟
بس ما اقولها الاستاذ يعني اذا كان باقي هناك ما راح صح؟ يعني ما خرج من السوبر ماركت صح؟
Listen. I will repeat it again. We will use been. نايل has been to مثلا ونقول ايش؟ نايل has been to رياض. اوكي، ايش معنى الجملة؟ has been to رياض. has been. It means he returned back. ورجع مرة أخرى إلى مكة. But if I said ولكن إذا قلت نايل has gone to رياض. ايش معنى الجملة الحين؟ ما زال هناك
انه الى الان باقي في الرياض.
الى الان باقي في الرياض ولم يعد حتى الحين. اوكي؟ So
تمام.
you will use been if the person or the subject has returned back. But we'll use gone if he or she or the subject still there. Right? Okay, نايل الشريف, I see you are raising your hand. Do you have any question? عندك أي سؤال يا نايل؟
سوري يا أستاذ ناسيها.
اوكي. اوكي شباب، ننتقل الى make sentence with these words using gerunds. Number one, dessert, eat, after meals, cannot resist I. The example or the answer, I cannot resist eating dessert after meals. لا يمكنني أن أتوقف عن أو أقاوم. كلمة resist يا شباب means يقاوم. right? لا يمكن أن أقاوم تناول الحلوى بعد الوجبات after meals. The second one, if you know the answer, raise your hand. She cannot stand the house. عمر سعيد.
طيب she can't stand clean the house.
She cannot stand cleaning the house. She cannot stand
Clean the house.
Clean the house. She cannot stand clean knife. Okay, clean the house. اوكي يا شباب، نركز جيدا في هذه الجملة. She cannot stand clean the house. اتفقنا. عمر سعيد، هل هناك أي اعتراض على هذه الجملة يا شباب أو على هذه الإجابة؟ متفقين مع زميلكم عمر؟ أم لا؟ في ملاحظة هنا في الجملة، مين يعرف هذه الملاحظة يا شباب؟
شيء
تفضل يا
ما
جميل.
أضفنا ING صح أستاذ؟
well done يا جميل. ما أضفنا ING إلى الفعل.
أنا عمر أستاذ.
يا عمر سعيد، ما أضفنا ING إلى إيش؟ وين الفيرب اللي هنضيف إلى ING؟ هل هو stand ولا clean؟
على الكلين أستاذ، المفروض نقول cleaning the house.
cleaning. well done. إذا أنت نسيت cleaning. تمام؟ أوكي.
تمام.
نحن اتفقنا على إن الفيرب stand لابد أن يتبع ب ING verb زائد ING. Thank you. طيب الجملة الثانية يا شباب، زياد خالد جار الله. مين جاوب الجملة الأولى، زياد ولا عمر؟
أنا عمر.
عمر.
Okay, go ahead يا زياد. Number 2.
The children hated sharing their ice cream.
The children again.
Hated.
إيش؟ hated. Hate only. The children hate. Okay. Sharing. من وين جبت هذا الفيرب؟ The children.
share.
وين تتكلم؟ أنا أتكلم في الجملة الثانية يا عمر. أنت.
الثاني.
Okay, خلاص. Okay. It's okay. The children hate.
Sharing their
sharing what? Sharing their ice cream. Okay, that's correct. But still, question number 2, their ice cream. Number 2, its children has sharing their ice cream. Thank you, Amr. يلا يا شباب. Raise your hand. Question number 2. Hamad Atibi, number 2. Go ahead.
Our grandparents enjoyed life. Grandparents
Yes. Enjoy.
living in the country.
Enjoy again.
Enjoyed.
Enjoy. أكمل. Complete
Enjoyed.
the sentence.
Living in the country.
Living. Living or living? Which one is
Living.
correct? Living in the country. Okay. I'm sorry. Country. Thank you. Now, oh, sorry. I cannot modify it. Okay. My grandparents enjoy living in the country. Thank you so much for today and so on for all. What about eat mom's food we miss? يبقى we miss eating mom's food. We miss eating mom's food. Number 5, my sister, my toothpaste use stop have to. My sister have to stop using my toothpaste. The workers paint the house finished. The workers finished painting the house. Already finished painting the house. Thank you so much for today's lesson and for your participating with us, for answering the questions. Do you have any question? Any comment? أي استفسار أي سؤال يا شباب؟
لا يا أستاذ.
Okay, so let's go to our workbook. Okay. Welcome Yasin. Unit number 3. Which page? Which exercise? We stopped which one? Here, right? We stopped at this exercise. So open your student book, please. Sorry, your workbook. Have you opened it? Exercise number J. Write as many words as you can in the organizer about the picture. كلما أمكنك من كلمات as you can in the organizer about the picture. So describe this picture. What can you see there? What are they doing? Use the words to tell the complaints of one of the men. Write the other man's answers. Man's هنا ليست جمع شباب، هي man's answers اللي هي إجابات الرجل الآخر. Okay, man's answer إجابات الرجل الآخر. Okay. Complaint and answer. The first one. Who's there? Raise your hand to read the complaint and answer. The first one. Omar Said. Yes, ya Omar.
This is the 5th time you have been 2 hours late this month.
This month. Okay. What about the second one?
أقرأ الجواب ولا؟
Yeah, that's right.
طيب.
Okay.
I am sorry, but I come by bus and it is not very reliable. إيش ده؟ Reliable.
Just a moment. اوكي يا شباب. اوكي يا شباب.